Hello students, hope you all are fine. So students, today we are going to start our new chapter in teachers. Okay, you all are very well known to this chapter. You have done this in grade 6 also. Okay, for just recalling, I am telling that in teacher is the combination of positive and negative numbers both, including 0. Okay, so positive, negative and 0. All these numbers are called integers. Only positive numbers are called natural number, but when we include 0 in it, then they are whole numbers. But when we include all the numbers, positive, negative, 0, all, then they become integers. Okay, this you all know. So on number line also you know the position of negative and positive numbers. On right hand side we have our positive number. On left hand side of 0 we have negative number, and this whole line contains integers because positive, 0 and negative numbers are there. Okay, so after that I am starting with exercise 1.1. These sums are very easy for you. Okay, so first is following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. Okay, like first Lahore Spiti, it has -8 degree temperature. Srinagar -2 degree temperature, Shimla 5 degree temperature, Ooty 14 degree Celsius, and Bangalore is 22 degree Celsius temperature. Okay, now these are the temperatures at different places. What you have to do? This is given. Okay, now observe this number line and write the temperature of places marked on it. So first, in first part, A part, you have to write different cities, and then in front of these cities you have to mention their temperature, which I told you just now. Okay, then what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? Now you have to find the temperature of the hottest place. Which is the hottest place? The place where the temperature is maximum. Okay, so this is the hottest place. You will note down its temperature 22 degrees Celsius. Then the coldest place, so the smallest negative number. You know, when we move towards left, numbers are on decreasing. When we move towards right, numbers are on increasing. Okay, so the coldest place is Lahore Spiti, so its temperature is -8 degrees Celsius. Now you have to take their difference, and please be careful about its sign. Like this will be 25 minus -8. This is the difference between hottest and coldest places. Okay, because this is the, sorry, this is not 25, this is 22 degrees Celsius. Okay, minus, because we are finding the difference. Then -8, this minus is of this temperature. Okay, so you all know how to solve it. This minus will become plus, so 22 plus 8 is 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, now next is what is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar. Here we have find the difference between Bangalore and Lahore Spiti. Same, you have to find the difference between these two temperatures. Okay, which is written first, you will write first and then second. Be careful about their signs, and if difference is there, you have to put that sign also. Next is, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? So first you will add these two. Taken together means we will add these their temperatures and we will compare it with the temperature of Shimla only, whether it is greater or smaller or equal. Okay, that you have to tell. Is it also less than the temperature at the Srinagar? Then same, their answer will be compared with the temperature of Srinagar. Means first you have to find their temperature both together by putting addition sign in between them along with their signs. Then you have to compare that total with Shimla's temperature. Then you have to compare that total with Srinagar's temperature. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all. So next question. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If Jack's scores in 5 successive rounds were 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? Students, as you know, when you give your entrance exam, okay, so any entrance exam, so there is negative marking, means if you are doing right sums you are getting positive marks, and if you are doing wrong sum then you get negative marks for them. So in last, total will be counted, addition of correct sums and incorrect sums. So in your entrance exam, be very careful. The sums which you are, or the questions which you are very sure about, that only solve that. If you are not sure, please don't do that, otherwise you will get negative marks for these. Okay, so now this Jack is giving any test. There are 5 rounds. There are 5 rounds. Successive rounds means one after another. So successive rounds are there. So in first round he got 25 plus 25 marks. Then in second round he got -5. It means negative sums were more, wrong sums were more. That's why he got marks in minus. Then in third round -10. Again his incorrect answers were more than correct answers. So answer is marks are in minus. Then 15 and 10. What was his total at the end? So for finding total we add all these. So it will be 25 plus -5, because next marks are -5, then plus -10, then plus 15 and plus 10. So you should know how to write this. Why I am putting addition sign in between all the marks? Because we are finding the total. Okay, and these negative signs are their own signs. So now you all know how to solve it. First you will solve the signs given together, then you will solve it. Okay, this you already knew it. So next, at Srinagar temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? So first temperature is given on Monday, that is -5 degrees Celsius. Then it is dropped. Dropped means it is going beyond 0. It is going beyond 0. So -5. So this will be -2. -5 -2. So on Tuesday Srinagar's temperature was -7. -5 -2 is -7. Okay, so this is the answer of this. Then on Wednesday, on Tuesday it was -7. Now from where you got it? -5 -2. Okay, now -7, then it rose. It rose means it came up. Okay, so that is minus 7 plus 4 means minus 3 degrees Celsius. So this is your two answers. First is minus 7, then is minus 3 degree. Okay, in sixth class, when integer chapter was introduced, then you learnt there that what is the meaning of dropped. If dropped, it is going beyond zero. If rise, then it is coming up. If we are withdrawing money, then it is in negative. If we are depositing money, it is in positive. Okay, so if temperature is less, negative temperature. If temperature is more, positive temperature. If there is profit, then money is positive. If there is loss, money is negative. So all you should revise that from your grade 6 book. Okay, so with that you can easily do all these sums. I hope it is clear to all. Thank you students, have a nice day.